Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm working on my Escalade one more time. This time I want to fix a broken fog light and do some LED upgrades while I'm at it. Make it look a little bit more modern, you know. It's showing its age a little bit as far as lights is concerned. It does have the HID, which look great, but then the fog lights were kind of yellowish. So I'm gonna upgrade them, and as you can see here, this one just got hit by a rock or something and smashed the glass and blew the bulb as well. So I'm gonna replace this with a new one. Upgrade both the fog lights with LEDs. I also wanna upgrade the running lights right here. They look kind of yellowish, so I'm gonna get them looking a little bit more modern. And while I'm at it, I'm gonna do the puddle lights and the reverse lights. So yep, let's get to it. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Okay, so I removed the two screws, one here, one there. It should slide out now. Guess not. Is there another screw somewhere? Oh yes, so third screw. So it's three screws, one right here. So I'm gonna take that off now. That's three. Plug it from here. And this is our broken fog. So I'm gonna put the other one in and upgrade the bolt. Okay. This is the new one. Put this one in its place. This should slide in here. Okay, lights mounted. Test it out like this first with the halogens, and then we'll check. Okay, so you can see that one's not really aligned. I got to realign it on the bumper, but this is what we got with the halogens. But now I'm going to upgrade them to LEDs. Yeah, make them look more like the HIDs. Okay, so these are the LEDs I went with for the fog lights. I'll link them down below. They're not sponsored. They're from Super Bright LEDs, and these should make the fog lights look more modern. So let's put them on and see what happens. So these LEDs are just plug and play. Put them in the housing, plug them in, and they should work, fingers crossed, as they should. Take these cheap bulbs out, replace them for the LEDs. Just got to make sure inside they're properly aligned up and down on the reflector. That's perfect. They should just plug in. They should just plug into the factory harness, like so. Put it in, make sure they click. And I'm just gonna test them. After that, I'm just gonna wire tie it here to this cross member so they won't just be hanging. So let's go test them out, see how they work. All right, as you can see, the LED way brighter, looking much more modern than this yellow thing over here. So yep, we're gonna go with this. Now I'm gonna hop under there and do the other side, adjust it. You need to see that, same procedure, and then I'm gonna replace these. Okay, so I finished the install of the fog lights. Looks much better there. Well, you can see the difference. I changed the driving light on this side, LED, much wider, brighter, looks more modern compared to the passenger side, which is all yellow and it's kind of dated. So once all these are on, the fog lights and the HID lights, it's gonna look very good. So I'm gonna do the passenger side. Okay, so right now I'm gonna change the reverse size LEDs and the license plate to make the back. The third brake light already come LED on this car, so I'm just gonna change them out and make the whole perimeter of the car LEDs. So the rears are super simple. Take out 2 screws right here, and this whole light comes out, and then change the bulb in the bottom. Looks much better. The LEDs, the reverse lights, looks much brighter compared to these yellowish color. Yep, looking good. See with the LED, much brighter, and at night will illuminate better when you're reversing. Yep, much better upgrade. So now I upgraded the reverse lights, the puddle lights, the front DRL lights, and the fog lights. Alright, so I changed the license plate also. They were yellow. So what I'm gonna do is see how they look at night. So we'll come back and check them all out at night, see if they look better. So it's nighttime. I'm just doing a quick video just to show you how the LEDs came out. They're super bright. As you can see in the front, the driving lights, the puddle lights, they illuminate all the ground, and the reverse lights. This is the other side of the puddle lights. Oh, lights came on. I'm gonna turn on the truck and turn on the fog lights so you can see that. This is how the fog light looks at night. LEDs, super bright. Now with the HID lights and the LEDs in the bottom, as you can see, illuminates the whole road, the entire road. Well, I forgot to record the outro video for the LED video I just did, so here it is. I just want to thank you guys for watching. I upgraded all the LED lights for the Escalade. Looks great all the way around, nice and bright during the night. And that's gonna be it for this video. It's a short one. So thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.